Reality television has always thrived on drama, raw emotion, and the intimate portrayal of people's lives in ways that scripted shows rarely manage to capture. Over the years, audiences have seen breakout hits across different networks that redefine what reality TV can be, from Keeping Up with the Kardashians to Love Is Blind to 1000 LB Sisters. Now a fresh contender has emerged on HBO, surging up the streaming charts with the kind of intensity and speed that demands attention from viewers who thrive on personal stories mixed with conflict, triumph, and heart-stopping revelations. This brand new reality show is already the talk of social media, and fans of 1000 LB Sisters in particular will find it almost impossible to look away because it blends that same raw honesty with a new edge that only HBO can deliver. The series, which premiered only recently, focuses on the complicated lives of ordinary people caught in extraordinary circumstances. At first glance it might seem like another family-focused or competition-driven format, but what sets this show apart is its unfiltered portrayal of the messiness of real life. While TV's 1000 LB Sisters won audiences over with Amy and Tammy Slaton's vulnerability, humor, and struggle with health and identity, HBO's new breakout project gives a wider and often harsher lens on what happens when personal issues meet public exposure. This balance of unpolished reality and high-quality production has catapulted the show into HBO's top 10 trending titles within weeks, a feat that usually takes months or a viral movement to achieve. For fans of 1000 LB Sisters who crave authenticity, this show fills a void. It does not shy away from awkward confrontations, uncomfortable family dynamics, or the hard truths of navigating love, health, and fame in front of millions. One of the most striking elements is how the show invites viewers into conversations that might otherwise never leave the private space of So Mion's living room. It turns the camera towards subjects that often remain hidden, and by doing so, it encourages audiences to reflect on their own relationships, struggles, and choices. Just as Tammy and Amy Slaton's journeys resonated deeply because they were not polished or perfectly packaged, TH's show thrives on imperfection. That honesty is magnetic. The reception has been nothing short of explosive. On Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram, hashtags related to the show are trending daily, with clips going viral as fans debate the cast members' choices, cheer for personal breakthroughs, and every dramatic twist. Some viewers call it the rawest look at modern family struggles in years, while others argue it is HBO's smartest pivot into the unscripted space. Either way, the numbers speak for themselves. Early reports suggest the premiere episode pulled in millions of streams within its first week, a record-breaking start for an HBO reality series. That momentum has only grown as new episodes drop, with each installment sparking heated online conversations and even watch parties among groups of fans who are binging the show together. Industry insiders note that HBO has been searching for its big reality hit, one that can stand alongside its prestige dramas and documentaries without feeling like filler. This series may be the answer. Its success so far shows there is a massive appetite for reality programming that delivers both emotional relatability and dramatic spectacle. Viewers who loved following Amy and Tammy's highs and lows on 1000 LB Sisters will find similar satisfaction here, though with an HBO twist that feels more cinematic, more daring, and sometimes more confrontational. The pacing is quick, the editing sharp, and the stakes higher than most reality fare because the show doesn't just entertain, it challenges. What makes this series especially binge-worthy for 1000 LB Sisters fans is its ability to balance heavy themes with lighter, comedic moments. Just as the Slaton sisters often made audiences laugh even in the midst of their toughest struggles, the cast here has a natural way of injecting humor into daily life. This keeps the series from becoming too bleak or overwhelming. It becomes a ride of emotional ups and downs, where viewers might cry in one moment and burst out laughing the next. That emotional roller coaster is addictive, and it explains why so many people are racing through episodes as quickly as possible. Another factor driving the show's popularity is relatability. While the cast members face unique and sometimes extreme challenges, at the core their stories are about universal themes: family loyalty, self-discovery, resilience, and the search for happiness. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters often say they see pieces of themselves in Amy or Tammy, whether it's the struggle to set boundaries, the difficulty of embracing self-love, or the courage to face medical realities. This HBO show taps into that same universality, offering characters who feel like people you might know in your own community, which is why their stories resonate so deeply. Critics, too, are beginning to take note. Reviews highlight the series' raw energy and unflinching approach, praising HBO for taking a risk on unscripted programming that feels more like art than guilty pleasure. Of course, some critics worry that the show sometimes leans too heavily into drama for drama's sake, a common complaint in the reality TV landscape. But fans argue that the drama is precisely what makes it irresistible, and what drives so much of the online buzz. For 1000 LB Sisters fans who are used to TLC's style of storytelling, this HBO project feels like the next evolution, one that refuses to sanitize or sugarcoat. Beyond its entertainment value, the show also sparks important conversations. Issues like body image, mental health, toxic relationships, and the struggle to redefine identity under public scrutiny are front and center. Social media discussions often turn serious as viewers share their own experiences and draw connections between the show and their personal lives. This cultural impact is part of why the show is surging so quickly on the charts. It is more than just a guilty pleasure binge, it is a mirror that reflects the struggles and triumphs of real people in ways that stick with you long after the episode ends. For HBO, the success of this show is a strategic win. It proves that the network, long known for prestige dramas and groundbreaking documentaries, can compete in the crowded reality TV space while still maintaining its signature boldness. It also opens the door for more experimental reality projects in the future, especially as streaming competition intensifies. Viewers are hungry for authenticity, and if HBO continues down this path, it could reshape the network's identity in the coming years. As the episodes continue to roll out, one thing is clear, this show is only getting bigger. The audience base grows each week, the debates online get more heated, and new fans are discovering the show through word of mouth. For those who loved every unpredictable turn of 1000 LB Sisters, this is the perfect next obsession. It offers all the raw emotion, relatable drama, and addictive storytelling, but on a bigger, bolder stage. And with HBO's reach, there's no limit to how far this phenomenon can go. In short, if you are a 1000 LB Sisters fan who has been searching for your next reality binge, look no further. This brand new HBO series is climbing the charts for good reason, and it's delivering the kind of television that grips you from the first minute and refuses to let go. Whether you watch for the drama, the laughs, or the heart, one thing is guaranteed: once you start, you won't be able to stop. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.